In this video, you'll find out how to assess the team again to show team improvement and ROI. You can do this using team assessment rounds. Once the team has completed their assessments, you'll want to complete a follow-up assessment round to assess the team again. You can do this as many times as you like over a 12-month period, so you can use this feature to track the team's pulse. To start with, you can see the status of team assessments, who's completed, etc. by viewing the team under Report Users and Team Reports. To send out the follow-up assessment rounds, purchase the team credits as before and then navigate back to this team. Click on View Team. Now you're only able to add a new round when all the assessments in the current round are complete. In this case, Claire was added but is not part of the team and hasn't completed, so I'll need to remove her first. You can do this by clicking on Edit Team, finding the user you want to remove, changing the drop down back to Select User and clicking Save. Now the round is fully complete, the Add New Round button is enabled again. I'll be able to click that and it automatically creates the new round for you. Round 2 is shown here and above, and it will select all the users that you had in the original round by default, and at this point you can remove or add users as necessary and then click on Save. To send the original user codes to all the team members, click on the Send All button so they can complete the team assessment again. You can edit the email paragraph as necessary and click Save and Send. Once all the team assessments are complete, download the Team Advanced Report and your team credits will be deducted again. And as I said before, if your team has changed, you can remove team members or add new team members as required by clicking Edit Team and changing the team members as necessary in the current round.